What is up, you guys? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Maria, and I really hope you guys stick around and hang out with me for a little bit because I do have some new products to talk to you guys about today. As you can tell from the title of this video, we're going to be talking about skincare. And before we get into anything, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button for me. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on just so you guys know the next time I post. A thermal shirt today because if you're from Chicago, you know it's freezing here. It is getting so cold. It's been snowing, all that good stuff. Anyways, that's besides the point. Today I'm so stoked because recently a very nice person over at Beautylish did reach out to me and they sent me over some skincare goodies to try out. So I am just really happy and excited about that. All of these products are from the brand Good Molecules, which is one of the newer brands that they are featuring over at Beautylish at the moment. If you guys have never heard of Beautylish, you guys are in for a real big treat because Beautylish is one of my favorite online boutiques to shop for all my beauty products. One of the many reasons why I do love Beautylish so much is because you can find all of the brands that we all know and love. And I'm talking brands like Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Jouer, Hourglass, Natasha Denona, and so many more, you guys. But the best part of it all, the part that really sold me, is that they offer flexible payments, you guys. That is just amazing. Before I'm anything, know that I'm a girl on a budget. I always get super sad when I'm online shopping and at the end I just have to go into my cart and take out anything that doesn't fit into my budget. Like, that sucks so bad, and you really don't have to worry about any of that at Beautylish. All you have to do is shop for your products, and then once you check out, just set up your flexible payments and you're good to go. It's so easy. It's instant approval, no fees, no interest, and no waiting. You get your full order and you don't have to wait for your next paycheck. Don't forget to check them out. Don't sleep on it. And y'all, it's like Beautylish read my mind. I've been on the hunt for some new skincare and they really hooked me up and made it super easy. So I am really beyond grateful for that. My channel is fairly new, but if you have been watching me, you guys know that my skin is far from perfect. I've been on this skincare journey for quite some time now. Yeah, I do have combination skin, a little bit more on the drier side, so skin texture and dryness is something that is a major concern of mine because I am someone who loves makeup. Seeing that texture under my makeup does get to me, so it's something that I've really been trying to work on. So if you guys are anything like me, if your skincare concerns are the same as mine, hopefully the products that I talk about today are going to help you out. I know that whatever was irritating my skin before is long gone out of my skincare routine now. I'm only cleansing and moisturizing. It's a super simple skincare routine that has definitely calmed my skin, but I know that I need to implement other products so that I can further benefit my skin. I really want my skin to reach its full potential, and I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to use to achieve that. So I do want to first off say that this video is in no way a review, so I do want to fully test these out before I give you my review. So I'd say in about a month from now, I'll tell you guys in depth how I truly feel about these products. But in the meantime, I just want to unbox with you because I'm really excited. Like I said, my skin has calmed down drastically and I'm ready to try out Good Molecules and see just how it affects my skin. And I hope you guys are ready to unbox with me. I have the box right here. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. Isn't that so cute? Right away, I love how colorful everything is. And you guys, how cute. I got this little personalized message. I'm not gonna front, when I got the email from my friend over at Beautylish, I was excited. I have been a long time customer at Beautylish. I love them so much. Sidetracked as fuck. I'm just gonna go right back into the unboxing. This is what the inside of the packaging is looking like.
Yes! Oh my god, yes!
So the first thing in the package is this niacinamide brightening toner. This says it's formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and help protect skin against environmental stresses, suitable for daily use. And it says you can use this for AM and PM. And this is what the actual bottle is looking like.
Cute.
I'm gonna open this because I want to see what it smells like. You guys, this has no scent, which is good, because if you're someone who is very sensitive to scents or, you know, added perfumes in skincare, you're not gonna have to worry about it. Also, a lot of toners have that strong, pungent smell to them, and it can really cause a lot of irritation to some people. So if you're looking for a toner that is not scented and that has a brightening effect, definitely check out Good Molecules. They're over at Beautylish now. Also, I do want to mention that Good Molecules is so cost effective. The second, sorry, I got a little carried away, but the second product that I want to show you guys is this niacinamide serum. Formulated with 10% niacinamide to refine skin texture and minimize pores. This is exactly what I was looking for, you guys. I'm already so excited to try these out because this is exactly what I was looking for. The directions say to apply a small amount to your face in the morning and at night before oils, moisturizers, and creams. And I love that they give you the exact directions on how to use it, because you can get a whole skincare routine down, but if you're using them in the wrong order, certain products just won't penetrate through others. So it's really great to know that you have to start out with this, and then you can go ahead and build onto that with an oil, serum, or moisturizers. And you can use this in the morning and at night. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys a little bit closer of what the actual product looks like. I'm loving the packaging. I like how bright and fun it is. Sometimes skincare can be a little bit boring, so the packaging helps a lot. I know that sounds stupid, but like I said, I love packaging. It makes me happy. It really adds to the experience of the product.
Oh, I love this. Oh my god, yes.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. This next product is an overnight exfoliating treatment. It says that it's formulated with 10% it's 10% AHA and BHA to resurface and renew. And the directions say to apply a few drops to clean skin at night. Use up to 3 times per week. May cause irritation if used with retinol or other acids. So it's good to know that this is only a nighttime serum. And you do have to use an SPF with this treatment because it can make your skin a little bit sensitive. I think that's why they say to use it at nighttime. So let's go ahead and open this up. It looks like, you guys. And then this is what the actual serum is looking like. Of course, on the back, it's just showing you the directions and how to properly use it. Like I said, skin texture is something that I want to completely do without. And if this is going to help me, then I'm all for it. So I just got to the last product that I got. It's a hyaluronic acid serum formulated to replenish the skin's moisture content.
Awesome.
Apply a few drops in the morning and at night before oils and moisturizers. Let absorb for 30 seconds. Suitable for daily use. This is what the packaging looks like. Same packaging as the other ones. And so yeah, you guys, that is it for my new skincare products. I'm really excited to start using these, and I'm really grateful for this opportunity because they made this process super easy for me. I can't wait to start testing them out for you guys to let you know how I feel. They sound right up my alley, so I'm really excited. If you guys are in the market for some new skincare products, or if you're just wanting to play around with something new, definitely check out Good Molecules, you guys. They're over at Beautylish, and like I said, you can make flexible payments. So if you're a little bit tighter on your budget and you're anything like me and still want them, you just have to have them, then you can go over to Beautylish, set up your flexible payments, and enjoy. That is it for the video, you guys. I am super happy with my package. I really just wanted to unbox with y'all, and yeah. Oh, while we're here, I do have one more package that I might as well unbox right now, and this is actually another package that was sent to me. A very nice person over at Illumix did reach out to me. So I am gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys since I have you here. They did send me over some sunglasses, like I said. This is what the inside looks like. And you guys, I picked these out a long time ago, but they do come from China, so it took me a while to get them. And like I said earlier, Chicago's already full on into winter. We have snow, we have cold, and all that good stuff. So I don't know how much wear I'll get out of these in the next few months, but who knows, I might still wear them. How do you guys, I don't know, how do you guys feel about sunglasses in the winter? Do you feel like people look weird when they wear them, or is it like normal? I mean, it still gets sunny, so I mean, I can see why people would, I don't know, just who knows. I'll probably still wear them. So these are the first pair that I got. They look like that. I loved that they are so thick on the side. They're just some oversized aviators, but like I said, the thicker rim of the glasses is what really stood out to me, and the color. This is what they look like on. I'm definitely loving these and I cannot wait to wear them. The next pair I ordered specifically for the summer. I was definitely going for a look, so don't think I'm crazy. It's just, like I said, it takes a little while to ship things overseas. I can definitely get wear out of these next summer. I'm the kind of person who's really impatient and I just want to wear them already. There are these right here. Definitely a retro vibe, and they're purple. I initially wanted the pink ones, but they were sold out. Sorry, Karina just got home. But yeah, this is what they look like on. You guys are so cute. And then the third pair are actually Karina's. She picked out a pair for herself. These are actually the cutest pair, I have to say. Like, I love them. I'm probably gonna be stealing them from her every so often. But this is what they look like. This is a close-up. Oh, it's not doing it justice. You guys, the color of these are amazing. And I love that they have like an exaggerated cat eye. Maybe you guys can see from back here. Yeah, I don't know. It's not doing them any justice at all. I might insert some pictures just in case the footage doesn't really do it justice. These are amazing. I love them so much. That's it, you guys. I normally don't do a lot of unboxings, but let me know if you guys like them. Leave me comments down below if you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button for me. Show me some love. And you guys, don't forget to follow me on Insta. I'll definitely follow back. I'll leave my username right down here and we can be friends. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I love that I got to share it with you guys. And yeah, like I said, I'll see you in the next one. Doesn't Karina look
So cute?